Once upon a time in a vibrant garden, nestled among radiant flowers, there lived a tiny larva named Lila. Lila was not your ordinary garden creature. She was a ladybug larva, known for her fierce appetite and protective armor. One day, Lila felt a strange sensation within her. It was time for her to transform. She felt a little scared, but she knew it was a necessary part of her life. She began to shed her old skin, revealing her new, hardened shell as a pupa. Days passed, and Lila's transformation continued. Her body elongated, and her legs and wings began to form. Finally, one sunny morning, Lila emerged as a beautiful, red-spotted ladybug. She felt a surge of excitement and joy. In her new form, Lila discovered her unique abilities. She could protect the garden from harmful insects by releasing a foul-smelling fluid from her joints. She was also able to fly, allowing her to explore the vast world above. However, Lila didn't forget her humble beginnings. She remembered the days when she was small and vulnerable, and she vowed to help others in need. Whenever she encountered a struggling caterpillar or a helpless spider, she would lend a helping hand, sharing her knowledge and strength. Word spread about Lila's kindness, and she became a beloved friend in the garden. She was no longer just a ladybug. She was a symbol of hope, resilience, and friendship. And so, Lila, the once scared larva, taught everyone that no matter how small or vulnerable we may feel, we all have the potential to grow, transform, and make a positive impact on the world. Moral asterisk: embrace change, for it is a part of life. Use your unique abilities to help others, and remember that everyone has something valuable to offer.